Hey guys, Troy from National Transmission here. I get a lot of questions, when should I do a service on my transmission? And really there's no clean-cut, dry answer for that. The more internet research you do on it, the more answers you're gonna find. None of them are gonna be exactly what your scenario is gonna be. So realistically, the condition of the fluid is the best way to tell. We've got a few different options here just to show you. We got clean transmission fluid. You pour it on the bench, obviously quite clean, all right? This type of fluid we would say is about when you should start doing a transmission service, just as it's starting to get brown. When it gets to this point, it's kind of at the borderline of when you want to do a service to if a flush is going to be good for you or not. Once you get too far, you're done. So now when you do a transmission service, typically you get about 50 to 60% of your fluid out. So just to kind of explain this here, that one will be a nice service, we'll get nice clean oil. When we get to the borderline one, we're at this color, right? If we go and we dump out half of the fluid and we add new fluid to it, so we get about 60% of it there. That's about close, right? Give her a little swish. Then your fluid's gonna get back to a decent stage, kind of in between where these ones are. If you wait too long and you get into a flush range, and you go and you just do a basic service on a flush, your fluid's still going to be quite discolored. So that's when we'd recommend doing a flush. So when we do a transmission service, we drop the transmission pan down. We always change the filter that's inside. It's got a paper element. It does get plugged up with material, same as your engine oil filter. Definitely something that should be done. One of the main reasons to do a service, not just changing the fluid, but changing the filter that protects the rest of the transmission from any debris floating around in the fluid. So on a flush, we'll go through the exact same procedure. But then at that point, we'll actually take a cooler line off and hook it up to our machine. Our machine's gonna measure the fluid coming out of it, and it's gonna pump clean fluid in at the same rate. So it's kind of like a transfusion almost. That's the only way to get all of the fluid out of the transmission. You get probably closer to 90–95% by doing a flush. So here's a quick shot of a filter. It's got a Dacron element in it. Nice clean new filter. And we've quickly cut one open for you here just to show you what kind of debris the filter actually catches. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully this kind of information is good for you and you get something out of it. Don't forget to give us a like and we'll catch you on the next video.